All right, so I'm Nguyen. I'm at UC San Diego, and I think I missed a slide where, there it is, poster number 14. So come take a look at it after the session. So I don't have to really tell you too much about the fact that social networks are important. We all know that. And the folks who are in our social networks are often the people who provide us with social support and different forms of social support. And over the course of life, over time, there are natural transitions that happen, natural events that happen, including things such as retirement, relocating either ourselves or the folks in our network, the death of friends and family and folks in the network, that over time, we start to see this shift and change in the way our networks look, right? Oftentimes, it gets smaller over time, over the course of life. And there are these natural transitions. There are also medical events or health events that can happen, health challenges like depression or frailty that can influence the desire and the ability to fully engage in these social situations to bolster social support. Now, we know that people aging with HIV have very unique mental, social, and physical health challenges. Folks aging with HIV are disproportionately affected by depression. They have different forms of social support. It looks differently, and folks are also at earlier risk for frailty. So the question is, how do changes in depression and frailty relate to these changes in social support over time? So we looked at some longitudinal data from a cohort study, and I'll just tell you the sort of short takeaway is that frailty, when we looked at that, it didn't have an impact on social support over time, but depression did. So after accounting for several factors, folks with greater depressive symptoms did see a trajectory of decline in social support over time. So that's it. Poster 14.